today, let's talk about the famous Mogrt files. What are them? How can you use them? And what are they good for? Can we change the fonts or edit them? And at the end, I have a gift for you with a free package of Mogrt files that I hope you like. Let us begin. Mogrt stands for Motion Graphic Template. So basically an animation that is already done and ready for us to use as we want. Now, what are they for and how can we use them? When we have to create an animation, this takes time, especially with titles that are used in a lot of our videos. And we all know that if we have a title that is not animated, they're boring. So here we have a package that I created with few Mogrt files for you, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Open the Essential Graphic panel. We can go to Window, and here you have it, Essential Graphics. When you open the panel, here on the top you have these three lines that are also known as hamburger. When you click it, you can see that you have Manage Additional Folders. Click it. And now you can see this window opening, and now on the bottom, press Add. Now you have to look for the folder where you downloaded the package that I gave you. Select it and click OK. Amazing, as easy as that. Now they are all installed. If you come here where it says local, you can see that it says all. Here you can see the folder that we downloaded, and in fact all the ones that you see here I've given it to you in other videos, so I will leave the list in the description if you are interested. But for now, let's select the one that we just installed, which is Mogrt files. And that's it. Here are all the Mogrts that I'm giving you. Now, as an example here on the timeline, I have a cool video and I want to give it an animated title. And this is as simple as coming here where we have the Mogrts and just pull it to the timeline. As you can see, it's really easy. And here on Essential Graphics, you can change what it says and you can even center it. So now download the pack and enjoy all of these files. But what happens if you don't like the font, if you want to change it or edit it? Sometimes you can do it here in Essential Graphics, but sometimes it doesn't let you. But there is a solution. We have to go back to the folder where we have all our Mogrts. Now you choose the one that you want to use. Now right click. Now you want to change the name, so we put rename, and instead of that Mogrt, we're going to change it to .zip. What happened is that we're changing the file type. As you can see now, it's a compressed file, so you can see it as a folder. And if we open it, we can see that there is a project inside. We can edit our Mogrt now. If we open the project, After Effects will open, and here we can change anything we want. It is very simple. And then when you finish, you just save the project. Then you have to go back to the folder and change the name again. Now instead of .zip, you change it to .mogrt. And that's it. You've made your changes and now you can go back and edit. People, I hope you enjoyed this pack, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Also, would like to know if any of you have a YouTube channel. Leave me the name of your channel in the comments so that I can check it out. Don't leave me a link. Sometimes YouTube take it as a spam and it's not gonna post it. So with the name of your channel is enough. It would be cool to know more about my followers. And now, until next week.